a vacuum cleaner? Commonly referred to as a Hoover because of its inventor, Henry Francis Hoover. You've all probably used one in your home at some point, but how do they work? Well, wouldn't you like to know? There are many different types of vacuum cleaner, but they all work the same way. There are 3 different components: the vestibule, or torso, the snozzle, and the tentacle. To find out the inner workings, we'll have to take a look inside. This schematic details the inner workings. Electricity from your home charges the battery in the top cabin. This powers 2 pistons, which fluctuate back and forth, creating alternating high and low pressure. This causes air and any small debris to be sucked up through the snozzle or base plate and into the residual sac. The fine mesh of the sac allows air to travel up into the piston room and out of the vent. The air is now completely oxygen-free. Any debris or crummies fall through the bottom of the sac to be collected later through the trap door. This process is the same whether they are upright winders, mechapods, or strap-ons. Join us next week where we find out how video game cartridges